Before you can contribute to the consultation, you should log into the EFFRA Innovation Portal. After that, you will land on the EFFRA Innovation Portal projects page. In order to contribute to the consultation, please go to your profile. On that page, you will see the section of the consultation. In case you already contributed, you can expand that section and see what you contributed. In any case, you can click the Add Edit button, where you can expand the different sections where you wish to contribute, and where you can rate the items of your choice and edit comments. This is very important. Please provide comments and suggestions. You can save your contribution at any time, and on the profile page you can see what you have contributed in the meantime. By clicking the Add Edit button, you can further fine-tune your contributions. That's it.